Welcome. In this quick guide, we're going to walk through how to turn on broadcasts and spaces notifications on the X app, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. With the latest update, the layout is a little different, so let's go step by step and make sure you never miss any live conversations or broadcasts again. First, open the X app on your computer. You'll see a menu along the left side of the screen. From there, click on Notifications. This is where you manage everything related to alerts, updates, and engagement on your account. Next, look for the settings icon within the notifications section. Go ahead and click it. This will take you to a more detailed menu where you can fine-tune your notification preferences. Now, choose Preferences. This section allows you to adjust exactly what types of notifications you receive. Once you're there, click on Push Notifications. Even though you're on PC, this area still controls how notifications are delivered across your devices linked to your account. After opening Push Notifications, scroll down to the section labeled From X. This is where you can see all the different categories of updates offered directly by the platform. Among the options, find Broadcasts and Spaces. Turn on the toggle next to Broadcasts and Spaces. Once you've done that, you'll start receiving notifications whenever creators or people you follow go live or start a space, so you'll never miss out on real-time discussions or announcements. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've activated one of the best features on the new X update. Whether it's a big conversation happening right now, or a live audio show hosted by someone you follow, your notifications will keep you in the loop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and share it with others who might still be figuring out the new X interface. Stay tuned for more simple tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.